Nice.
Oh my God! Holy shit! Holy shit! I was too fast. I think I nutted. No, I not nutted, but I think I shit it.
Like roller coasters? Oh yeah, I do. You want to do a little swinging around? Fuck it, let's go. All right.
Oh! Whoa! The world is so beautiful. It really is. Nature is really beautiful. It sucks, like in 200 years from now, there's not going to be no nature anymore.